Hi, I'm Jack with Sioux Dent Repair. Today I'm working on this 2017 Chevy Malibu with this bad dent in the quarter panel. This damage was so severe that it actually pushed the metal into the inner structure, causing a high spot, shown here, slightly cracking the paint. We're starting this repair off with glue pulling. We use a bridge style method with a dent dial to go ahead and pull the major parts of this damage out. After a while, we have to look at the repair from a different angle to make sure that it's all completely symmetrical. Now we're pulling the trunk interior trim out in order to gain access to get the final finishing touches of this dent out. Here's what the access looks like. Now we're just finishing up with some traditional methods with using specialized tools to push the damage out. Hey, thanks for sticking around and watching the whole video clip here. As you can see, the dent's gone, and we fix damage like this all the time for all sorts of different people. So if you've got similar damage in your car, feel free to give us a call at 605-595-4061. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for watching the video.